Hello everybody, welcome to Graphic Design Basics. I'm teacher Laura and I've created the lesson plan to give you an introduction to the basics of graphic design and also to introduce you to a web-based application called Sketch.io. It is free to use, it's web-based, so all you need is an internet connection. You don't have to download anything. To teach you the program, I've created a website that would house all the resources and all the teaching material that I prepared for you. You can actually do it on your own, or during the online lessons with me, I will use the website as the go-to place to find all the different resources I prepared as well. So for lesson 1, I'm going to introduce you to the world of graphic design to show you examples of what is actually design that is all around you. So that will give you a nice overview of graphic design basics and how the experts use graphic design to communicate visually to you. So with that, we will move on to some basics of learning typography, layout and composition, images, some fundamental basics of what it all entails. Next, we will introduce you to Sketch.io. Sketch.io is the web-based application I mentioned earlier. You will learn how to use this app to design from scratch. I know that now there are many cheats, as in templates provided for you that you can just easily use. For example, Canva.com is very commonly used. But I would like to have you design from scratch so that you can really apply the knowledge you're going to pick up from the course and give yourself a chance to make some decisions without any help from templates, right? So for this to work out, you will be able to choose the font that you feel is most suitable for your project and also an image that's suitable for your project. So some resources are also provided for you, and I will teach you how to find images that you can use that are royalty free. This will also help you in developing projects that you need, where you can either use your own original photographs, or if you do not have the resources to take a photo, you can also find pictures that are available for you to use, but you need to choose those that give you the license of usage or royalty-free images. Part 3, we are going to explore the different tools of Sketch.io to allow you to draw shapes, lines, create simple illustrations if you need to. And under the tab Digital Art, you will see that I've created some drawing exercises that you can try out to practice your skills. We can run through some of them and progressively improve our skill set with Sketch.io drawing tools. With that, I'm hoping that you gain some confidence to be able to draw simple shapes and designs or simple graphics to help to improve the design that you are creating on your graphic design project. Okay, so with that, some of the exercises will be optional, but we will go through some of them to give you a little taste of how to use Sketch.io to draw as well. And next, we are going to have you work on a poster design. The poster design will be, will include an inspirational quote. The inspirational quote will be something that you can choose. I've put some quotations on the website as well. You can choose one of those, or if you have your favorite quote, you can just use the quote and make sure that you credit who's the person who said those inspirational words. Then we will go and look for the image that would be suitable to add as a background to the quotation and create an A4 size poster with Sketch.io. So we'll teach you how to do that step by step. You can follow along in the tutorial on the website, and also if you're going to do it with me guiding you via Zoom, that will also be very helpful if you continue to access the website while I'm giving you instructions on how to use it. And lastly, we are going to let you create your own graphic design project with the skills you've learned. If you like to create a greeting card, I actually have resources for you to attempt that. It is created in an A4 size folded to A5, so it's easy for you to print if you have a home printer. It allows you to also really customize, put photos of maybe your loved ones if you want to incorporate into your design. So I'm hoping that by then, since you've really used the various resources, you will be very comfortable in uploading your own personal images instead of just downloading images from the internet. Okay, so with all this, I hope that the program will give you a very good introduction to graphic design and give you the confidence, the skills that you've developed or learned. You can also start using applications that provide templates, but now that you have the basics down, you'll be more confident to choose a template that has a stronger design aesthetic. Because of your training, you are able to see and make better decisions on what will work better for your project objectives, and also be able to stop yourself from using too many fonts, hopefully. Usually we'll try to limit it to 2. If you must, maybe 3 maximum per project. But definitely less is more when it comes to graphic design, when it comes to using fonts, okay? And remember, hierarchy is very important. So with all this knowledge, when you are using templates that are shortcuts that allow you to create graphic design projects very quickly, you already have the knowledge to make much better decisions on which template would suit your design needs because of your understanding of the fundamentals of design. Okay, I hope this program is something that's useful for you, and I thank you for your attention.